Hi, this is Jack at Jack's Transmissions. Thank you for viewing our products today. We're going to talk about the DCT470, Mitsubishi Evo, Rally Art, SST transmission shift fork pistons. There is a difference on replacement pistons for these, and it's very important you select the right ones to avoid problems in the future. A lot of the aftermarket pistons that are available online, you'll see right here, it's smooth on the bottom side of the piston. These are junk. They blow out. If the shift fork has any issues at all trying to go into gear and the system raises pressure, that's it. It's going to blow this out. You're going to have to tear your transmission completely apart again to replace these. So do it right the first time and use the OEMs. These are OEM, and you can tell you have OEMs by looking at the bottom again. You see the markings? If they look that way, you're dealing with an OEM piston. OEM pistons are the highest quality pistons you could use. None of the aftermarket is any good. We've stopped using them a long time ago because they had nothing but problems. So we're very happy that we carry the OEMs now. So this is the 1R shift fork piston, which is the larger one. We have them in stock. Nice quality OEM. And then we also have the smaller ones as well for the rest of the forks. As you can see, aftermarket, smooth on the bottom on these as well. And then our OEMs have the markings just like the OEM in your trans that you're pulling out now. Now the OEMs work really well. If you take them out and they look fine, just reuse them. There's nothing wrong with that. As long as they fit in the bore nicely, they're not too tight and they're not real loose, you'll be okay. I would also check this area here, see if there's any witness marks due to high pressure contact. If this is damaged in any way, I'd replace them too. Like this aftermarket one here, it only had a couple thousand miles on it. You can see the dent on it, on the plastic end. So that's already wearing down, and obviously it blew out before this even had a chance to fail. So yeah, high quality shift fork pistons. Seems like we're the only ones that have them. If you want to stick with OEM, a lot of the OEM parts in the SST, DCT470 are actually pretty good. This is definitely one of them. Thank you.